Hi everyone, this is Fortunate Vowel from Fortunate Vowel Academy of BA. So, what we have for us today is combination of letters for vowels. In the previous video, I talked about single letters representing different vowel sounds in different English language words. But now we have combination of letters. As you can see, I told you that we have vowels and all of them are symbolically arranged. They are 20 vowel sounds as they are symbolically arranged. That means each vowel phoneme has a number. As this one is number 1, we have number 2, number 3 up to number 20. Now as this one is number 1, it is a long vowel sound with a length mark of 2 dots. The 2 dots show that you drag it. When you pronounce it, you drag it as long as your breath can sustain it. For instance, this one is E. Vowel number 1. This one number 1 is represented by a combination of letters. As you can see, we have E, in C, in feel, in bees, then we. The same is applicable to EA. We have it in read, in feed, in meal, in beat. The same goes for IE, as in believe, relieve, achieve. The same goes for ER, as in deceive, deceive, receive. The same is applicable to OE or EO in amoeba. This is amoeba, it's not amoeba, it's amoeba. This is phoenix, not phoenix, it's phoenix. Then this is people, as you can see. I want you to tell me in the comment section the letters representing this vowel sign B in these words. Q-U-A-Y, K-E-Y, T-O-S-O-P-H-A-G-U-S. I am your sincerely Fortunate Vowel from Academy of BA. Bye for now.